Good morning. I'm having shower screen issues at the moment, or shower curtain issues. I bought some for the shower stall. I don't have glass because a few years ago I got a mosquito-borne virus which sometimes leaves me a little bit off balance. Not always, but just sometimes. And so rather than glass, I put up a shower curtain, and it's about time to replace it. I'm 194, 6'4", and these are 80 centimetres, so they're a little bit short. I suppose they're made to hang over a bathtub, but I'm not using it there, so I'm going to have to add to the bottom about 40 centimetres to make it long enough. I bought a couple of extras to add to it, so it's not a problem, but just a bit of a waste of time. I'd rather be sewing something else. As far as the balance thing, it was our dear mosquitoes that did it. It's called Ross River fever, and just sometimes I get very tired and get a bit unbalanced, not mentally, just unbalanced. And I bought myself a stick, a glamorous walking stick, to help me along when I need it. So that's my gripe at the moment, my complaint at the moment, short shower screens. I'm also trying to save a block. I made a bit of a hash of it and I've unpicked it a bit. It's nice fabric, it'd be a pity to waste it, but I think this looks better. I think it might work. So I'm going to put it together and see how it goes. That's my day today. We had a big storm last night, so that was good. It's still very hot though. But it'll pass, it'll pass. I said not long ago it'll soon be winter, and the first month of summer's gone now, so it's true. Things go fast when you get older, let me tell you.